So let's talk about these drops.
Yes, and the potential for a white Christmas.
You know, I was out and about with Grace today, and she goes, I feel like it's been a long time since we've had a white Christmas. So let's look back at the last 50 years. Now, I know this is going to be a lot of data, and you're going to go, what is going on?
50 years?
50 years with this graphic, but I want you to focus on the bottom row. And we have to go back to 2011.
Okay.
We're going to go back to 2011. So since 2011, we've only had 2 Christmases with 1 to 3 inches of snow on the ground.
Oh.
So I'm with Grace. It feels like it's been a while, and we've only had 2 since 2011 in 13 years.
Yeah, Grace was barely born.
Yeah. Right, she was go back to 2011. Now I can't do that math on a Friday. She's 21 now. We'll move on. We have other kinds of math to get to in terms of temperatures. Great looking view over downtown on this Friday night. We have 34 degrees, a north wind at 15. That does bring wind chills down into the 20s. Actual air temperatures tonight will fall into the 20s, so it will be colder than what we had this morning. It was 30. That really did help us out. We had a couple of school delays, and we did have a few slick spots with some of the snow falling this morning. Ended up at 36, so a lot of that has melted, and the roads are mainly wet. You can see the other numbers, averages, and records for to date. In terms of the wet roads, because we have temperatures that will fall below freezing over the next several hours, overnight into early Saturday, anything that looks wet could be a little slick, especially bridges, overpasses, and those on and off ramps. Expecting temperatures tonight in the 20s, down to 22 in Kokomo and Richmond, 25 in Bloomington and Columbus. Live Doppler 13 radar, relatively quiet in terms of the snow showers. We have a few flurries and a little bit of sleet falling from just west of Fishers south through Bloomington. Not all of this reaching the ground. We are keeping an eye on some lake effect snow that may impact our northwestern viewing area overnight and on Saturday. So we'll keep the chance of a few flurries and snow showers going, but no accumulation expected. Highs tomorrow in the low 30s. Will be low to mid 30s with some sunshine on Sunday afternoon, and then a warm up on the way as we look ahead to next week. As we look ahead to next week with Future Track 13, lots of clouds, and there will be several rain chances. You can see it here in the 7-day forecast. 32 with a few flurries tomorrow, 34 with some sunshine on Sunday. Then we get into a cloudy, somewhat soggy pattern Monday for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Christmas Day, a high of 50.